come the next top dog, Mikey Cool. Mikey Cool coming. He's getting ready. You getting ready to get him, huh, Mikey? This is Mikey Cool right here. Yeah, Mikey Cool.
Yeah, man, Kurt.
Mikey Cool right here. Yeah, we getting ready to get him, baby.
Yeah,
Getting ready to get him. He said he gonna get this big old red.
Yeah.
This big old draw.
Big drum.
All right. We're gonna do this, baby. We're gonna do it once again. Here we go again. Mikey Smooth is getting set up. Show you guys a little bit of what's going on here. Yeah. Curtiee-Cool is getting ready to do his thing here. Show you guys what's really going on around here once Curtiee-Cool gets busy, baby. Yeah. Curtiee-Cool'S production, baby. I'm getting ready for another fishing show. So here we go again. One and only truly Curtiee-Cool, baby. Once again. Yeah. Alright, Henderson's production. How y'all doing? This is Henderson's production. Alright, we're getting ready for another beautiful day. I'm getting ready to do another fishing show. And it's all about how to get these big old reds and these big old drums using Curtiee-Cool style, baby. I got a unique style, baby, that will blow your mind. You'll get the red fish every single time, baby. Yeah, Curtiee-Cool is back on the scene. Here we go again. How y'all doing? Curtiee-Cool is in this baby one more time, baby. Curtiee-Cool in the house one more time. Let me get busy now. I'm gonna be showing you guys some techniques what Curtiee-Cool use when he catch the fish. Y'all know what I mean? All right, here we go. Here we go, baby. It's all good. It's all good. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how Curtiee-Cool catch the fish, baby. You see, Curtiee-Cool has got a technique here. In other words, I feel like it's a blueprint on reading a fish's mind. In other words, you got to be able to feel the touch, feel the peck. I mean, every little thing counts and adds up. When you are trying to be a professional fisherman and not miss any fish. Now, like I was saying, you have to be able to put your mind inside of a fish mind. And what I mean, you must learn how to read the blueprint of a fish mind. Y'all might say now, what do a blueprint got to do with all of this? You know, you just like you build a foundation, start a house. Y'all know what I'm saying? You got to get the blueprint laid out, baby. Once the blueprint is laid out, you know exactly where you're going with this. So now, the key elements to reading the blueprint of catching a big fish, you have to put your mind into this stuff, and you have to be fully focused and tuned in to what's going on, to every little nibble, every little bite, every little thing. You know what I mean? You just kind of feel that. Yeah, feel a little nibble. Just when you put your mind so deep into that, you feel it, baby. You feel it. You feel it. You feel it. Yeah. Every little nibble. You give them a little chance, every little nibble. Then all of a sudden, bam! You know what I mean? You come on up with it. Come on out with it. And that's how you get the big boy. I'm going to pull the big one out here in a minute. I'm going to show you what I mean. This is Curtiee-Cool'S fishing show. So let me get busy and go ahead on and pull up this big old fish, baby. Curtiee-Cool'S fishing show once again. Y'all get ready. Oh, I thought I had him. I thought I had him. Yeah, he must have had a big rock. Okay, I'm gonna pause this for a minute, and I'm gonna get situated. Then Curtiee-Cool'S is gonna go ahead on and get this big old fish, baby. All right. Now I see that Mike Cool getting ready also. He's getting ready. See him? He's getting his hook together. You see him? He's getting his pole. I mean, this is a world-class competition, baby. Curtiee-Cool'S gonna show you how it goes, baby. I'm gonna show you who's gonna get the big old fish, baby. Yeah. Curtiee-Cool'S, the water looks great, baby. Looks great. Looking great. Oh yeah, looking great, baby. Water looks beautiful. Oh yeah, let me show you what we got here, baby. Let me show you what we got here. How this water looking, baby. Yeah. Water's looking beautiful. Look beautiful. Perfect day for fishing. Looks beautiful. Oh yeah, everybody's getting ready. Put a get down, baby. Everybody's getting ready. Down here at the fishing dock here. Getting ready. We getting ready. Yeah. Getting ready for it, baby. Getting ready. Getting ready.